I've picked up this iconic Australian-made chair for restoration. Fred Lowen was the designer of this masterpiece and manufactured by Tessa in Melbourne, Victoria. The comfort level is incredible, even in its stinky, worn-out state. There's lots of hidden screws holding it together, but it comes apart easily. The timber works beautifully crafted. I removed the bulk of the varnish with a scraper, then finished it off with loads of sanding by hand. The timber is Tasmanian Blackwood. It's a very decorative timber and quite expensive to buy. The clear coat I'm using is non-yellowing and very durable. I'll use the original cushions for patterning. After unpicking it all, I'll iron it out to its correct shape. I've gone with this green boucle. It's very popular in my part of the world. All cut and marked out, ready for sewing. The boomerang-shaped sides gets new foam. All the old seat webbing was replaced too. With the frame all done, now it's onto the cushions. There's lots of different elements that go into making these cushions, along with these decorative straps that hold on the headrest. The headrest is just some rolled up dacron inside a calico casing.